Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can convert Lazada eGift to Gcash. So the first step that you can do here is to make sure you have your Lazada eGift code handy. So open your Lazada app on your phone and then tap on account at the bottom right hand corner and find the Lazada wallet. Once you find this Lazada wallet, you just need to tap on this Lazada gift card. So once you find your Lazada eGift code, take note of the voucher code as well needed later. Next, you'll need to find a third-party platform or website where you can use your Lazada eGift and receive the equivalent in Gcash. So one option is to use a service or store that accept Lazada eGift as payment while allowing payouts or withdrawals in Gcash. So popular choices are various e-commerce platforms, gaming services, or reward exchange sites that accept both. So once you've selected a platform, it's time to use your Lazada eGift to purchase or exchange it for Gcash. So be sure to check for any conversion fees or limits on the platform. Usually, you'll enter your Lazada eGift code, and once validated, you can select Gcash as your payment option or payout option. The funds will then be transferred to your Gcash account. So after the transaction is complete, you'll receive your funds directly on your Gcash wallet. So it may take a few minutes for the process to finalize, but you should see the converted amount in your balance shortly. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.